Right now we'll discuss about all these topics. First of all, introduction of Python and parameters and arguments, return values, default parameters, keyword argument, positional argument, variable length argument, scope, local and global variables, recursion, lambda functions, built-in functions, real world problems, 100 plus multiple choice questions. And now we will discuss about some multiple choice questions, coding challenges, interview questions. These all topics right now we will discuss in detail. Listen carefully and watch up to end, then we will understand in a easy way. As a student point of view, I will explain in a detail format. Listen carefully. Right now a function. Right now we will take one example and explain in a detail by what is the function. A restaurant. Imagine you own a restaurant and customer come and take orders for your restaurant, and if you cook every dish for scratch every time, you will repeat the same step again and again. Instead of restaurant have specific chefs. If you do, in case one person will order something, customer ask pizza, make pizza and deliver, and second person ask burger, then make and they will deliver. Like this way everything you will started in the ground and the first step to last step. Now right now what is the purpose of function is, you no need to write every function either so many times. Once you declare, then utilize whole నీకు ఎప్పుడు కావాల్సింటే అప్పుడు ఆ కోడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేసి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈవెన్ చెఫ్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ వన్ స్పెసిఫిక్ జాబ్. ఏ ఫంక్షన్ వర్క్ ద సేమ్ వే. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ ద సేమ్ కోడ్ మెనీ టైమ్స్, యూ రైట్ వన్స్ అట్ కాల్ ఇట్ వెన్ ఎవర్ నీడ్. ఇంతకుముందు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పా కదా మీకు, వన్స్ ఒకసారి కోడ్ రాసిన తర్వాత సో మెనీ టైమ్స్ మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఆ కోడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. సేమ్ అలా ఆ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఇమాజిన్ ప్రింటింగ్ ఏ welcome message for 3 students. If you are printing welcome message for 3 students, so many times you will write print welcome Arish, then welcome Arish, then etc. Then print welcome Rahul, then print welcome Priya. Like that so many times you will write down for every student. Now what is the purpose of function is, by using def is a function. Def is a keyword. This keyword used to write the function. Then welcome is a variable name and given parentheses, and the indentation means quotes, use this code, and this is the indentation. Then we will write the code. Print welcome student, print welcome, this welcome message write the 3 times, then 3 times they will displayed. See here, the output is 3 times will be displayed. The welcome function is work by 3 times. So this way the function will be used. This is a more lengthy process and this is the most easiest process to learn it. Then output display like this. Then what is def? Def means define. They will define a particular task. It tells Python I am creating a function. Syntax: def is a, already I told you, def is a function, and function name parentheses colons, then write the inside write the statements whatever it may be, then execute. Take one real example. Def hello, print hello world. This create the function, nothing happened yet. Right now we must and should call it as function. If you did not call that function will not be executed. Compulsory we will call that function by using def. Then the output will be executed like this, hello world. If you have remote button, then press button, TV turn on automatically. Same like that, if you call it as hello function, then that function will be automatically executed. If you did not enter the button, then the TV will never turn on. Once you enter the button, then TV will be turned on. Like that this will happen in the functions. Real life example: suppose you are if you are creating an ATM, every student check their balance. Instead of writing the same code repeatedly, balance is 5,000, balance is 5,000, like that we will take this much of print statement. Use function. Right now we are using a def function and print balance. If you in case if you write so much of time, like 1 second, this much of time the output will be executed. In case if you want some more time, the how many times you call the function, that much of time the output will be executed. How Python executed? Normally so many people don't know how the Python will be executed functions. By using def function, you are take function name and parentheses and colons, the print, in case this print area will write the star. Then by using greet function used to print end. Same like this way the code will be executed. Execution flow, normally execution flow is first the program will start, then create function, then print start, then see Greek, the Greek will be opened, jumps into function, print hello, back return, they will enter. The output will first the start print, they will print the start, then hello, then end. See the code once again, then we will understand it. You will practice this code by using VS Code or Python compiler. Then function with parentheses. Now imagine the pizza chef. Different customer order different pizzas. Customer 1 veg pizza, customer 2 cheese pizza, customer 3 paneer pizza. Instead of creating 3 chefs, one chef accepts different orders. Python does the same. One step take these all orders, the work will be slow and accept different orders. Python does the same. If they using def, if they using same function name, if they call it as so many times, the how many times you give, that much of time they will execute it. Welcome Rahul, welcome. One function here, one chef doing 3 jobs, and here one function doing so much of jobs. Like this way the output will be Harish, welcome Rahul, welcome Priya. Like this way the code will be executed. Then parameter versus argument. Def welcome name is called as parameter. Welcome Harish is called as arguments. Remember, function define parameter, function, arguments. Like this way they will execute it. Then we will discuss about multi-parameter. The multi-parameters means so many parameters you give that all parameters will be executed. Same like this way. These are up to here, then you call it as name function, then you call it as age function. Like this way the multi parameters we will use. Return values, imagine a calculator, you enter 10 plus 20, the calculator will be displayed 30. In Python also, by using def function, def add is a function name and ab is a variables. The variables you assign, you will give some operation like addition operation. This addition operation will be executed. The add, if you right now you did not give any value for that, in the results this area will give some add function and a value is 10, b value is 20, the output will display 30. Here you did not print, the value will not be executed, right? You must and should give print statement, then it will execute it. Now we will return print. So many people have doubt what is the mean by return function and print function. Now we will discuss. Define add 1, print is equals to 30. If def add is equals to, if this is the one more function, this is the one function, we are using 2 functions and 2 def functions. First one is 30, second one is return 30. What is displayed? Display output, send a value back to the caller. Return means this value called to this, and after we will execute it. In case here we give 30 plus 20, then the output will be 50. They will not displayed in the output session. Once you print print a parameter inside the parameter give, then it will execute, or else never executed this. Like this way they will perform. Practice programs. Program 1, if def function calling explicit, print explicit, then we are calling here. Based on this the output will be executed. In the square also, number 1 into number 2, square is equals to 5, 5 5 is 25. And program 3, length of area of length into breadth. We are finding area, length into width, length 10, width 5. into 10 5 are 50. Here so many people commonly do this type of mistakes. Be aware it. Def function hello. So many people mistake the colons. You must and should enter the colons. If you did not enter the colons, the indentation occurs will be in the error section. Then forgetting parenthesis. So many people forgetting this parenthesis. Must aware of it. Okay. Then wrong indentation will give in a particular 4 tab space. Don't forget we are giving tab space like the 4 spaces. Don't forget it. Then multiple choice questions. These questions is very useful, so you must and should watch it. And which keyword is used to create a function? Which keyword? Def keyword is used to create the function in the Python. Then what is the output for this code? Def hello print Python, you call it. What is the output? Python. Because of you call the function and you will print already, so the output will Python. Then what is the parameter? Value passed during the call. Variable in the function definition. Function names, return value. What is the output? Parenthesis means variable in the function definition. Variables, you must and should give the variable like a function name, a comma b. Like this way, the variables these two is a variables a and b. Is comma is a separator operator. Then interview questions. What is a function and what is a function? Is a reusable block. A code means a function. The function will, once you write the code, then it will utilize in the whole code. And in case you don't need to write so much of lines of code. By using function, simply they will call and they will assign the values, and if you want so many times you will repeat the call function, then automatically they will, how much of time you call it as, that much of time the function will be executed. Then why do you use function? To avoid code duplicates, to make program modification, to improve reliability. So these points are most important. Learn carefully. Then third question also, what is the difference between the parenthesis and arguments? A parenthesis is a variable define the function declaration. Arguments means actual values passed when calling the function. This is these topics you already learned right now. Then if you want, take screenshot. I will scroll up to up to top to end. Take screenshot it. If you have any doubt about this all topics, ask me in the comments. I will explain in detail. Thank you so much for watching this video.